tussenwerpsels. In English, we call them interjections or exclamations. So kom ons gaan kyk hoe ons dit gebruik in Afrikaans. Ons noem dit ook 'n uitroep, reg? So in Engels, interjections or exclamations. And remember, these are single word exclamations, not sentence exclamations. The two important things about them, hulle kan alleen staan. They can stand alone in a sentence. Of dit kan gevolg word deur 'n uitroepteken. Because we use these words to express some kind of emotion. Goed, so ons gaan kyk na 'n paar voorbeelde en dan moet jy jou eie sinne maak met hierdie woorde. Wanneer ons die woord hoera gebruik, beteken dit ons is opgewonde oor iets. This shows excitement. Another one that we can use in the place of hoera is yippie. Reg. Eina is pain. That shows pain. Siestog is bejammering. This is when we are feeling sorry for someone. Brr is self-explanatory. It is cold. Bravo is when we have relief of something or when we are congratulating someone. As in they did well in something, not as in happy birthday. When we say ag nee, wys dit teleurstelling, which is disappointment. Reg? En dan uitsa is bewondering. This is when you are in awe of something or when something is cute or when you really like something, dan sê jy uitsa. So I want you to take each one of these words and try and use them in your own sentences using these specific emotions that I've given you here, and then practice some examples of doing diary entries, for example. And you can also use words like this, not too many of them, however, when you are writing a descriptive essay, for example, when it's very cold or something like that. So I wish you all the best using these words.